the time of timeless. Take the talk and watch the hands of the clock walk with no time to talk, no time to joke. Just watch the hands of the clock walk. Crippled as they may be with two short, one long, it kind of looks funny, but time. See, time flies when you're having fun. I have my needle and thread ready because they say a stick in time will save me now. Those 3-hour looking hands turn to wings and time acts like tide and waits for no one to customize it. They made time digital. If it were up to politicians, they probably would have made it verbal so they would have more time to tell their lies. If it were up to the blind, they would make it visual to serve the purpose of feeding their eyes. Some even wish to turn back the hands of time to a time before I even thought of writing this poem. Some even wish way before that, but they can't retract, they can't go back. All they can do is just listen to it. Tick, tock, tick. If I only knew the amount of time I had left, I'd run away with time to see how much of time the time gets. Away from people's eyes to realize that only time wrapped, and in time I'd follow his tears towards the time of timeless. Tick, tock, and watch the hands of the clock walk with no time to talk, no time to joke. Just watch the hands of the clock walk. No use crying over tea-spilled milk is time's motto, I guess. Its direction is always forward, never in reverse. But ironically, with age, it's the inverse, because the time you grow older, your time on earth is supposedly less. We have categorized time to past, present, and future tense. Now, there are moments in time that we cherish and call them memories, and some of these are stored in photos trying to make time freeze, but it's never enough to just bring it. There's no time. Most people wish to speed time, but it smacks them with patience, teaching them not to rush things, forcing them to notice that everything depends on time. Sun will go high and low, pressures increase and decrease, temperatures rise and drop, but ever wonder what would happen if time would stop? Come on, tick, tock. Would you still be able to watch the hands of the clock walk with no time to talk, no time to joke? Just if I knew the amount of time I had left, I'd run away with time to see how much of time the time kept away from people's eyes to realize that only time wrapped in time. I'd follow his tears towards the time of a day and you have to show what you've got. More often than not, you should have struck while the iron was hot. See, at any given currency, time is money. Every situation, every position, every deadline depends on time. Even the punishment of imprisonment when you're sentenced for a crime. We set dates, make plans, but God vested in time the power to unveil the outcome. Time has the utmost stability with the ability to shelter all of it. Only time was given the gift of immortality, but don't just sit around. Don't just sit around. There's no duration for relaxation because killing time only murders opportunity. And if I only knew the amount of time I had left, I'd run away with time to see how much of time the time kept. Wait for people's eyes to realize that only time left, and in time I follow the tears towards the time of timeless.